Hi there, I'm Corey. I just finished up General Assembly's Spring 2023 hackathon, and there was something that I learned how to do that I wanted to share with you. I think it really helped me speed up my team's ability to get our product on its feet. So it had to do with CSS. So I'm a big fan of animations in CSS, and I'm not talking about super fancy things that require a lot of, SVG manipulation. I think more about sliding things in, having things fade in and out in a way that doesn't take away from the experience, but brings a little more life to the page and some of the elements that are coming up for the user. So here's what I did. So you can see our app here on the right, Adventures, which was a math learning app for kids. And then here on the left, you can see in my HTML snippet that we were using TailwindCSS for our styling. That's all of our class names in here. Now, because you declare class names directly within the HTML in Tailwind CSS, I wanted to find a way to mimic that for animations so that it would be really simple for my team to say, oh, I really want this image that comes in, the rocket, to fly up and to the right when the application loads. Okay, cool. So let's make a class name called Fly Up Right. Yeah? And then in the app CSS, which is what this page is pulling all this styling from, I just made a class Fly Upright, gave it the animation property of Fly Upright, and these are, the animation conditions I'm throwing in there. And then I've got our keyframes code right here to make it fly up, or start 500 pixels below and then fly up. And then when it's done, it comes all the way into where it's supposed to be. So what it looks like when it finally loads is dun da da da, all the way in. Now you can see, maybe you're beating me to it, that the Adventures logo slides in, and that's exactly what this class is here, is our slide in, and then it has the animation, the keyframes animation to slide in. Now what I think is really cool about this is you can pick any element in your app and simply add that class tag to it. Of course, you got to make sure that that page is drawing from that styling sheet, so those things are linked. But you could even just throw it in your global CSS and then use your animations globally just by adding a simple class. Well, I hope you thought that was as cool as I did. If you have a thought or another way that you would like to use Tailwind CSS or CSS animations, please drop it in the comments. Thanks very much.